Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Social Science Tools and choose Propensity Score Matching. Tap Get Started to reach the login page. Then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the treatment column. Then select the quantitative variables. Next, select the qualitative variables and select the study variables. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. The Marginal Effects tab shows the actual causal impact of treatment on the outcome after adjusting for selection bias. In RAISINS, marginal effects represent causal treatment effects, not simple regression coefficients. When PSM is used, the marginal effect corresponds to the average treatment effect on the treated. Using IPWRA and AIPW, RAISINS estimates either the ATE or ATT through doubly robust methods, meaning the results remain valid if either the treatment model or outcome model is correctly specified. Practically, this tells us how much the outcome changes on average due to the treatment. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab to create Before Match Plot, After Match Plot, Love Plot, Jitter Plot, Balance Plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.